Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be getting ready for a photo shoot. Me and my friend are gonna go and take pictures. We do this kind of often. We just like to take pictures for our Instagram. Nothing really. I just did my makeup. This is what you guys will be watching me do. So continue watching if you guys want to see me get ready for this. I'm gonna start out with some moisturizer. To put some primer on. I'm using this Urban Decay one. I lost the pumper thing to it, so I kind of have to smack it out of the can, but I love it. It's seriously my favorite one. Okay, got some. It feels so good and smooth on my skin. It seriously makes my skin just precious, like a little baby's butt, I swear. It is so good. Covers all my pores and just Now that's done, I'm going to use my foundation. This is what's called Fit Me Foundation by Maybelline. I just hate the container this comes in. That's quite a bit. Ooh, this is kind of a lot of foundation. This one is seriously amazing, and it's what, $6 at Target or anywhere you go. Ow. I am no beauty guru. It's just what I do every day. I did not James Charles over here, but it could be. Next, we are going to do concealer. I use the Maybelline Fit Me, and it is so good. So just putting these in the spots that need it. Foundation brush from Estee Lauder, but I kind of like it for concealer. So now I'll get my foundation brush and go back with it. So after that, I use this. This is kind of weird, but I don't know, it's just what works for me, I guess. It's the Bare Minerals Be Original. It's foundation powder, but I like it as setting powder. So I'm gonna grab a little fluffy brush and just put some on the lid. It sets my face really good. And then I'm gonna get this little brush and set the under of my eyes, just so I don't get any creases. And this is just the NYX Set It, Don't Fret It. And yeah, where's my, oh, right here. So this brush is just from Equal Tools. Get my Tarte palette. This is a Tarte contour palette. It is my, mommy daddy. Oh my gosh, I think my nephew got into this. This is seriously my favorite palette from Tarte. I use this color, and I just dab a little bit in, and I use it on my eyes. The excess stuff on the brush, I kind of bring it down on my nose. Next, we are going to do, this is the Naked Urban Decay Flushed. This is what it looks like, and these are the colors. And I grabbed this brush. It's from Sonia Katosh. It's definitely not from Sonia Katosh. I'm still not even sure how you say it, but Sonia Kashuk. And it's just I don't even know what kind of brush to call this, but I dab it in a little bit, and I make my line I want for my bronzer. I honestly don't know what the difference is of contour and bronzer, so if I'm using the wrong words, because I don't really know. I use that just to kind of give me a more so I do that, and then I grab, this is just a Morphe brush, and then I'm grabbing my Tarte contour, and I just go over it, kind of bring it to the top, kind of bring it down too. And I also blend out my nose that I did. And blush, I'm kind of indecisive if I like blush or not. Oh, I think I put too much. I have to blend that off. It's way too much. And then for highlighter, oof, this highlighter is bomb. I have a little Morphe fluffy brush. I'm going to be using the same palette from Tarte, but I'm going to be using this color instead. And this highlighter is bomb. Ooh, look at that. After all this, I do my eyebrows. I use this e.l.f. stick, I guess. Get my spoolie and just fluff them out. Oh, and by the way, this is only like $3, so if you don't like it, it's just like worth the try, I guess, because I love it. I don't really shape my eyebrows. I kind of just fill in whatever is there. I don't even know if I should call it an eyebrow. The hardest part about my eyebrows is they're not the same. And then I have some little like eyebrow gel that I just put in. I just like to curl my lashes. Today I'm going to be using this Tarte one. It's pretty good. I'll bring my mirror and hope you guys don't mind because eyelashes are a serious job. I'm kind of running out on this. I did not realize that. Yeah, I'm running out. I need a new one of these because that's out, so I'm gonna use my second favorite one. Okay, I have no idea where this is from, but I got it at like Target for like $2. So I'm all done with my face and mascara, and now we like lipsticks. Okay, so now onto the lips. Put some chapstick on, and I love this. It's by It's Cosmetics, and it's like a lip liner. It is in Romantic Rose, and it's seriously life-changing. And it's like the turning ones, you don't have to sharpen it, so it's really good. Let me grab my handy dandy mirror. I'm just gonna line my lips with this. I line my lips with this, and then I rub it in, and it just gives me this like beautiful, soft, like perfect everyday color that you want. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys subscribe and like, and yeah, peace out. Squeeze me oh so tight, baby.